So the first thing I will do is, of course, I will apply some concealer on my eyes, and I'm using my Peripera Ink concealer. They also have the Peripera Ink correctors, and in case you didn't know, this is my favorite Korean concealer of all time. So I'm just applying a little bit in here. I have this in the shade number 3, I believe, number 2, and I'm blending this with a brush. And then I all the time use my finger. By the way, I do love my nails. I love my nails so much. I just finished them a few minutes ago. I will apply this in the crease. This is the Airy Fixing Shadow in Misty Rose. I would like to work with this kind of eyeshadows, cream shadows. I just place a little bit of product on the back of my hand, blend it. If you watch my videos for a long time, you already know this. And this transforms into a more powdery finish after a couple of seconds or while you blend it. So it gives you like a soft shadow effect. And on the eyelid, I think I will use a little bit of this. This is the 16 brand Candy Rock Sugar Party and the color Berry Sugar. So shimmery and pretty. So I'm using this all over the eyelid and then a little bit like towards the crease. And now I will add just a little bit of this gorgeous glittery eyeshadow or glitter topper. And I will just place it in here. Because I just want some more drama, you know? This is so stunning. Finish the upper eyelid. I will just add a little bit of my Stana eyeliner. This is again a Japanese eyeliner, super nice, super black, love it. Foundation, I will be using my Jung Saem Mool Essential Skin Nuder Cushion. This is in the color Light. And I like to apply this with my e.l.f. beauty sponge. I love Jung Saem Mool foundations. And concealer, again my Peripera one. And I also have the Up You concealer. This is the Skinny Bonding concealer. This is in the lighter shade, so I would like to just add a bit of that to lighten the skin in some areas. And I will blend these together. And I used quite a lot of product, but because the sponge eats the product away, it will still not be too much. For contour, I'm using this blush from the Saem. It's the Saemmul single blusher and it's number BR03. Has a very olivey undertone with lots of like yellow in it. So it's great for contouring. And as a blush, another product from the Saem. This is the Beige 03 shade. It's quite like orangey, browny, peachy. As a highlight, I'm using the Jolly Me from Holika Holika, the pinky shade. And I will use the same shade creamy shadow that I used for the crease. Just apply it lightly on my bottom eyelid, just like a wash of pink. I will be using a little bit of my Fairy Drops mascara, upper and lower lashes. Now for my lips, I will use just a little bit of my Rare Kind lipstick. This is in Angelic Pink. And that is it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. By the way, the earrings are also from... I found these on yesstyle, so I'll link them in the description box. I will tell you the brand and all that, but they're super nice. Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day.